Hi, and welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. I'm Nancy, and I'm going to show you how to make a spider craft today. It's really very simple. So what you'll want to do is go outside and pick up from our curbside this little craft pack. It will be outside Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 to 1, and Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 6. Once you get your pack, you're going to take it apart so you can see and make sure you have all of your pieces so you're ready to go. You'll have directions. You'll have a little bag. You'll have a plate with some yarn. In the bag is a sheet of pink paper, some strips of black paper, there should be 8, 2 circles, 1 large, 1 small, and 2 googly eyes. What you'll need is some glue, glue stick, adhesive of some kind, and then if you want to, scissors, and I have a white colored pencil, but you could also use stickers or light colored markers, whatever you want, and that's just for decoration, so it's not necessary, but just fun. So the first thing you want to do is spin your web. So what you're going to do is take about a 3-inch, leave about a 3-inch tail, and you'll see that the plate is already cut, and you're just going to wedge that tail into the plate. And then you're just going to kind of go back and forth in any kind of direction you like, just kind of making a web. So you just keep making your own little pattern all the way around the plate until you get it all woven. And when it's done, it'll look something like this. Of course, every web is different, just like every spider web is different in real life. Next, we're going to make our spider. So the first thing that you want to do is take the smaller circle and glue your googly eyes to the circle. Then you're going to cut a mouth or tear a mouth, however, out of the pink paper. I like to do maybe just a little half circle, but you could do a full circle, you can make it jagged, anything that suits your fancy. You can make it have teeth. Then once you have your mouth the way you like it, you can glue that to the smaller circle as well. Next come the legs. You can fold them any way you like to. I like to just kind of do a back and forth kind of motion, kind of like a fan, but you can fold them any way you like. And then you glue them to the larger circle. And you just want to continue going around until you have all 8 legs on the circle. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you have all of your legs attached, then you'll take your smaller head or smaller circle, which is the head, and attach it to the bigger circle. So it'll look like this. And then comes the fun part, decorating. You can make all sorts of fun designs on your spider. Whatever feels like fun, or if you have stickers, you can just decorate with stickers. So for example, I put some little squares on this one, or on this one I have some little circles going on. So if you want to pick one of these up, don't forget it's at our curbside pickup Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 to 1, Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 6. This is the Danville Public Library saying we miss you and hope to see you soon. Bye.